Welcome to Goodview Gardens. Hi, this is Sheryl from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today we're at the serene neighbourhood of Bukit Batok West Avenue 5, surrounded by lush greenery of Bukit Gombak Park. This high-floor, 5-room corner unit boasts unobstructed views of the stunning natural landscape. This 115 square meters, 1238 square feet, 5-room unit has an oversized living room, kitchen and yard, 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you step in, you'll immediately notice the thoughtfully designed layout and openness of the space. The foyer is elegantly designed with tons of storage space. Beautifully designed with neutral colored walls and decor with wood accent finishes, the integrated living and dining space perfectly embodies the contemporary neoclassical theme with style. The living room is spacious, with a squarish layout easily fitting a large sofa set and ample distance away from your feature wall TV console. The full-height large windows lets in plenty of natural light and offers breathtaking views of the enclave and surroundings. It also features built-in display cabinets for you to display decorative ornaments for a more personalized feel. The living room is seamlessly integrated with the extra-large dining space that easily accommodates 8 packs. The open-plan design allows for seamless interaction, making it perfect for family living. The household shelter is concealed with full-height mirrored sliding doors with shelving storage at both sides, truly space efficient. Efficiently designed and separated, the kitchen is spacious with ample counter space, plenty of cabinetry and drawers. This sleek layout maximizes functionality and is also visually appealing. Our common rooms are liberally sized, with a simple layout that makes it the ideal configuration to convert them into whatever purpose you desire. This room has been converted to an exclusive office study with an extra long desk, built-in cabinets and wardrobe. Everything is in pristine condition. Our master suite is spacious and well lit, easily fitting a king-size bed. Best of all rooms have the same spectacular views. The bathrooms have been renovated to a high standard with modern fixtures and tiles. You'll appreciate the attention to detail in design and high-quality materials used. This block is nestled right beside Bukit Gombak Park, where you can immerse yourself in nature. The 4.8-hectare park features a hill track, nature play garden, a dog run, and more. Just across the road is Home Team NS, where you can enjoy weekend recreational activities. There is a fair price, Starbucks, and many other F&B options there. Within the estate, there is a coffee shop with good food options. Nearby, there are 2 24-hour supermarkets. We are just a 10 minutes walk to Bukit Gombak MRT on the North-South line. For shopping, you can head to West Mall, Junction 10 or Helium Mall. We have several well-known schools nearby. Thanks for joining us to tour this exquisite unit at Goodview Gardens. This spacious, well-renovated 5-room flat is a dream home for anyone looking for a comfortable living space surrounded by lush nature. For an exclusive viewing or to feature your home, get in touch with me. Once again, this is Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.